I'm going to show you how to find do-follow blogs using Google Images. You can create do-follow backlinks to your blogs and websites. Some bloggers use do-follow attribute to get more comments and more visits to their blog. Some of them start special movement a few years ago called You Comment, I Follow, and they use special banners and badges that you can search on Google Images to find those do-follow blogs. What you need to do is go to Google Images and type You Comment, I Follow, and this is how those banners and badges look. And all of these are do-follow blogs. Okay, let's take this one for example. Okay, this, you see, it have You Comment, I Follow badge, and okay, it only have 2 comments. But we all know that Google values links from value more links from blogs that have similar topic to our blog or our website. So we can find even those do-follow blogs. What we need to do is go on Google Images and type this sentence. Or you can type any of these variations to find do-follow blogs on Google Images. Okay, I use SEO as my keyword. You can use whatever keyword you want. I use SEO, you can use medicine or whatever. And you will get all GIF pictures. You can use PNG, JPEG or whatever image format you want. Click search, and okay, and Google gave us a list of do-follow SEO blogs. Okay, let's take this one. Okay, remove image. And leading SEO companies making money with your WordPress blog. Okay, this is internet marketing blog, but it is related to SEO. You can find some SEO techniques here. And this is how you search do-follow blogs on Google Image Search.